Hi, let's make some new colors with our Play-Doh. We have yellow, blue, red and white. Let's see how many colors we can make with these four. Let's mix some white with some red. Let's take some yellow. Let's see what red, yellow and white make. Let's mix them. Orange. It's getting lighter. Let's see. This color is peach. Now let's make another one. Red, white and yellow make peach. Let's make another color. Let's take some red and put in some blue. We have red and blue. Let's mix them. Let's mix. We are mixing red and blue. We mixed red and blue. That was a little bit. We need a bit more red. Come on, red. There. Put in some more red. This is purple. Purple. So red and blue make purple. Let's use some yellow. A little bit of blue. And some white. Yellow, blue and white. Let's mix them. This is light green. It looks like kind of sea green. So white, blue and yellow make sea green. Let's make another color. Red and white. It's starting to form pink. 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 So red and white make pink. Let's make another one. I used blue and yellow. Let's see what we can make. Just keep mixing. This is green. Green. This is green. Let's make another color. Let's mix red and yellow. We need more yellow than red. Let's mix them. This is orange. This is orange. Let's make another color. Let's mix all of them. Let's see what all of them make. Starting to form a little bit grey, but it's not very dark grey. Not white, it's not. It's just starting to look like very much like grey. This color is grey. So white, red, blue, and yellow make grey. Let's make another color. This color needs 2 steps to make it. Just take some blue and yellow. Let's mix those first. And then we've mixed those, we'll add in some red. Let's mix blue and yellow. Blue and yellow make green. Green's coming. Green. Now add the red. Let's keep mixing. It's getting quite dark. That's less sticky now. Red and the blue and yellow plus green is actually brown, but I don't know what happened because this part over here is very green and this part is starting to go very grey. And green and grey do not make brown. Let's make sky blue. This is sky blue. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun, educational videos. Bye.